Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video we shall write user defined function power a comma b to calculate power of a variable say a to the power b in C language. So let's start. User-defined function is a function written by user. It contains self-contained block of a code to perform particular task. Syntax of user-defined function is as shown. Return data type followed by function name and its argument list. Statements in a function is written within curly brackets. In example, we can see function sum having arguments a and b, which are of integer type. It returns value of a variable c, which is again of integer type. Example is about user-defined function sum. Algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to execute a task. We shall discuss an algorithm for our task, which is to write a user-defined function to calculate power, that is a to the power b. Here, step 1 is start. In step 2, we will declare a user-defined function for finding power with integer data type. In step 3, we shall read two integer numbers and store it in a variable a and b. Here, a is a base and b is exponent. In step 4, we shall call a function and pass value a and b. In step 5, power value is computed and displayed. Step 6 is stop. Now we shall discuss flowchart for our task, which is to create a user-defined function power. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. Value of a variable, that is base and exponent, is read and stored in variable a and b as shown in input-output block. Now function is called, that is power a comma b as shown in the rectangular block. Further, control is transferred to predefined process block as shown. It is also called as subroutine block. Finally, computed result is displayed in input-output block. Flowchart ends with stop. Now we shall discuss actual program in which user-defined function is declared. Here, initialization of standard library files such as stdout.h and conio.h is done. In main function, after reading value of a variable and storing it in a variable a and b, function call is made from power a comma b. User-defined function is declared before main function, which is written with a proper syntax. It calculates power of a number using for loop and return resultant value, which is stored in result variable in main program. Result value is displayed in main function. Now we shall execute the code in TurboC software. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We shall execute the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, we can see it is asking for entering value of a variable. Let us enter value as 10 and 2. We have got answer as 100, that is 10 to the power 2. We shall run it one more time. Now enter value as 4 and 3. We have got answer as 64, that is 4 to the power 3. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.